Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Hilmi. Today we are going to talk about a great video editor, VN. Of course, after you install it from your Play Store or App Store, you press VN. And by the way, this VN, this video editor, is for amateurs and of course for professionals. So after you open it, by the way, these are my projects. So you press plus and you press new project. Here video, photo. Of course you can press videos or photos. For example, I want to choose one of my videos. I press video. So I look for a short one. For example, this one. So we have here, you can change the size of the video. You can make it for TikTok or YouTube, Instagram, and so on. So I choose for YouTube. Now we want to add a text. We press here, text, tap text to add to page. We have here add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. For example, I add a heading. So you can choose the color any color you want. For example, you can choose this one, or you can choose this one, or you can choose, for example, this one. You can choose this one, of course, the color you want. You can choose, for example, the font you want. For example, I choose this one, Marvel. I press save. You can choose, for example, yes, the size of writing. You can here, for example, you make it longer or shorter. Okay. You choose save. There are plenty of features. Now we move, for example, to the audio. You can have, for example, you can choose a music, for example, from the internet. You just write here the name of the music, or a music from your library. For example, these are my music. I can choose, for example, this one. I use. You can, yes, reduce the volume or make it higher. You can use this feature, fade in, yes, and fade out. You may, for example, save. So this is audio. And of course the audio, you can choose, for example, the effects of the audio. You can choose, for example, my audio effects or sound audio. We have here, for example, funny, vehicles, fast switch. You can use, for example, vehicles. We have here plenty, car, use, car. Yes, we can use this one. You can, for example, record your voice. You do your voiceover. You press audio and record your voice. Tap or press and hold to record. You wait. Now you can record. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you save. You can export the video and you choose, for example, if you want it, the resolution, if you want it for 2K or 4K or 1080. Okay, you choose, for example, 4K, and you choose, for example, the FPS 25, 30 or 50. You can choose the average bitrate and you export your video and wait until the video is exported. And thanks for your watching.